Good morning everybody. Today I am going to make you understand how to solve the problems of exercise 3E. Before starting, you must have to know two identities at first. First identity, cube of x plus y. Here x plus y into a square of x plus y. 1 and 2, this will give 3. When the bases are same, then the powers are added. Here you know the square of x plus y. This will give x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now we have to multiply x square plus 2xy plus y square by x. Then we write plus y and x square plus 2xy plus y square. On multiplying we get x cube 2x square y x into 2xy, that is 2x square y plus xy square, y into x square, this will give x square y, this will give 2xy square and y. In this way we get x cube, y cube, x cube plus y cube plus 2x square y and 1x square y. This will give 3x square y plus xy square and 2xy square. This will give 3xy square. Now x cube plus y cube plus, we will take 3xy as common, then we left with x plus y. And therefore we get an identity x plus y cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. This is an identity for solving the problems of exercise 3E. Now see another identity, that is cube of x minus y. We get x minus y into x square minus 2xy plus y square. You may write at first x minus y square. 1 and 2, that is 3. Now we have to expand a square of x minus y. You already know it will be x square minus 2xy plus y square. Now we have to multiply x square minus 2xy plus y square by x. And then by minus y we multiply x square minus 2xy plus y. On multiplying we get x into x square, x cube, x into minus 2xy, 2x square y, x into y square, xy square. This will give minus x square y minus minus plus 2x y square minus plus minus y. In this way we have x cube minus y cube. This will give x cube minus y cube minus 2x square y, x square y. This will give 3x square xy square plus 2xy square. This will give 3xy. Now x cube minus y cube minus 3xy will be taken as common. Then we left with x minus plus minus 3xy into x, 3x square y minus minus plus 3xy into y, 3xy square. And in this way we get another identity, x minus y cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus. We have to use these two identities in exercise 3E to solve the various types of problems. Now Now we have to solve some of the problems just by utilizing the two identities what we have learned at this time. That is cube of x plus y, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, and cube of x minus y is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. These two identities will be used to solve this problem. See how I am going to solve them. First problem. We have to expand 3x plus 2 cube. Here it is 3x plus 2 cube. You have to use this first identity. X plus y cube. Here 3x plus 2 cube. We have to use 3x at the place of x and 2 at the place of y. And then we get a cube means 3x cube plus b cube yani 2 cube plus 3 into ab yani 3x into 2 and 3x plus 2. Here 3 3 are 9 3 are 27 x cube. 2 2 are 4 2 are 8. 3 3 are 9 2 are 18x into 3x plus 2. This will give 27x cube plus 8. 18 3 are 54x square. 18 2 are 36x. This is the expansion of 3x plus 2 cube. This is the expansion. Next problem. To expand 5a minus 3b cube. That is 5a minus 3b cube. This will be expanded with the help of this identity. That is x minus y cube. This is x minus y cube. And when we expand like this, we find cube of 5a minus cube of 3b minus 3 into 5a into 3b into 5a minus 5 5 are 25 5 are 125 a cube. 3 3 are 9 3 are 27 b cube. 3 5 are 15 3 are 45 ab 45 ab. This will be 5a minus 3. Now 125 a cube, 27 b cube, 45 5 are 225 a into a square b minus minus plus 45 3 are 135 ab into b ab square. This is the expansion of 5a minus 3b cube. On expanding this by using this identity, we find the expanded form this. Okay. Now we have to solve the third problem. 8a cube, 27b cube, 36a square b plus 54ab square. Here 8a cube is the cube of 2a. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. 27b cube is the cube of 3b. Now we have to take the HCF of 36 and 54. That will be 18. And the HCF of a square b and ab square, that will be ab. Now we left with 18 2s are 36 and 18 3s are 54. 3s are 54. Here, not a square, it will be cube. And in this way, it is of the form a cube, b cube plus. Here we have to turn it to a cube plus 3b cube. Now it will be written as 3 into 2a into 3b into 2a plus 3, 3a. 3 to the 6, 3 the 18. A into B, A. Now it became in the form of this identity. a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. And therefore, it will be written as cube of 2a plus 3. Here we have to factorize it. Here we have to factorize, and therefore it will be written as 2a plus 3b, 2a plus 3b, 2a plus 3. I have written the same term 2a plus 3b 3 times because the power of 2a plus 3b is 3. Now this is the factorized form of this algebraic expression. Now we come to solve the fourth problem. This is a cube minus 12a, a minus 4 minus 64. We may write a cube is a cube. Minus 64 may be written as minus 4 cube. 4 4 are 16, 4 are 64. Now we may write 3 into a into 4. 3 4 are 12, and it is a minus. See here, it is just like x minus y whole cube. It is of the form this identity, and therefore we will write cube of a minus. Now here we have to factorize this expression, and therefore we have to write it into the factors, that is a minus 4, a minus 4 and a minus. This is the factorization of a cube minus 12a into a minus b minus 64. Okay? Here, this is the third type of problem in which we are said to simplify this algebraic expression. This expression is given and we have to write it into simplest form as far as it is possible. See, this one is the problem. Cube of x plus y minus cube of x minus y minus 6y into x square minus y square. Let us start. This will be cube of x plus y. This is cube of x minus y. We may write 3 into x plus y into x minus y. X into x, x square. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b. This will give a square minus b square, that is x square minus y square. Now we are left with 2y. Here we write x plus y minus x minus y. When we do this, we find x minus x. X will be cancelled. Now we left with y minus minus plus y. 2y. This will give 2y. When this 2y will be multiplied by 3, it will become 6y. And this is x square minus y square. These two will give x square minus y square. In this way, it is of the form a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus. That is, it is of the form. Then we have to write x plus y minus x minus y whole cube. At the place of x, here x plus y. At the place of y, here x minus y. Now, it will be x plus y minus x plus y whole cube. X and x will be cancelled. We left with cube of 2y. This will give 8y cube. These are the, I have solved 5 problems today, and these problems will be used to solve the different types of problems present in exercise 3E. You may also solve the problems of its solved example, and if you are finding any problem, you have to ask at first from 3 and thereafter from any other topic what you have learned before today. Thank you.